He is the question about Tommy and he pen about Tommy he Singapore pen ball Tommy Vema ball Tommy Vena he pen he about Tom season that two bon or Singapore ma sim machine a two where along a two a young where damn throw down it about judge up town roll there the metronome and got so that go out the bow go chasing my own way shot that Singapore got the bow machine with the bow mà phía phía tao bảo này, bro là, tu nhìn đi ba bao nó, tao bảo đại cô, tao phía chú sao mà tao ngồi xa đấy, nhưng mà cho nó lông quá đó là bộ, rồi, chỗ này nghe mà rồi, tao bảo xí bị đá quá, lát ya xí bị đá, đá cô phía xí mà tao ngồi xa ra đấy, mà tiếp bên này khóc mà ngồi xa ra, chứ mà tiếp bên sai mà tao bảo đại cô tao phía lô bên mà tao ngồi xa ra đấy, mà tu bộ nó, đá đi lên, tao ye lô béo mà lên. Tu bà bé còn nó Singapore tu dòng thì bé còn nó xin mà siêu đó mấy chỗ này ngắm mà xem tao bảo có phía sau mà ngồi xa đấy đi này ngắm mà cả đi mà được qua tao bảo mà siêu rồi đó tao bảo trái củ rồi chèo lộp cái mà ngồi xa ra đấy mà tu đã bé tiêu chim bà đấy birdparadise có đang bằng cái này helicopter màที่ตรงนี้มันก็ยิ่งกว่าแต่มันถือตะบอกกันมีแค่จังแปลกส้มอยู่เลยแปลกยันมากองกำสมาติ้งค่ะต่อไปติดเก็ตมันที่จะเนี่ยใช่
Scan this one. Full. For scan this for the map.
แมปดึงใจให้ปังนี่แมปต่อเอ็มเจ้าดึงคงส่งปังอีป้ายนมหน้าแต่นี้แต่เราออกเจอExport now. Okay. Xong đốt này là gọi. Che. Ra. Đi bao tầm lên đây à. Birdparadise bằng cái mà ở đây Birdparadise shop cái là nếp đan tắm gió là bò tóm hay gọi bò tóm mình khâu okayนี่แต่ห้องที่สวงแต่ห้องบอลต่อมวิเวฮีเพนกวิคบอันนั้นสองรถเพนว่าสองรถเพนเนี่ยแรงซุยเพลโบเลยเบาไปกันนะโอ้ the weather is so cold this is the restaurantนี่ก็จะสมดุลได้ที่ร้านเฮ้ยก่อยพอทางนั้นสาวโอ้ is the fish here is the fish โอ้ใช่ว่ามันหลักขนาด
Just one egg is laid. There is no nest. The parents take turns to keep the egg warm in a brood pouch above their feet.
Movie da ne be movie da.
Is here. While newly hatched chicks keep the parents busy with their calls for food, the chicks from the previous year are only now shedding their brown feathers. It has taken them 14 to
Okay. Here is the rear penguin block. Wow. Wow. Sim. Sim. Okay. Dengan lagi pen yang kesebentar. Di Singapura pen bang mak nak kenal lo mah. Ni ingin nasi kenal lo. Okay. Tapi bare ni Yên bạc xong là xin được chân nào đó, xin được chân. Thôi, sau đó mình mang về đó xin là tao lấy thảo bỏ, tao quê thảo bỏ. Ê, tôi lúc này ngắm mà lúa lum lâu rồi thì cầm vừa đàn này biết lâu lâu đó là. À, mai tối thì tôi lúc này ngắm đó, cái lúc này ngắm này đó, tụ khăn đi, tụ khăn đi ni tụ khăn đi biết. Okay, let's check. Now we are here, soကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီမှာပဲရှိသေးတယ်။အရောင်နည်းနည်းဝေးသေးတယ်။ You're here. အေးဒါမဲ့တက်ရမှာ300ကျော်သွားရအောင်ပါ။ Okay. တော့ပြခန်းကိုသွားရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ပြတိုက်ကိုပေါ့။ညက်လျှောက်ကတဲ့ဟာပဲ။ show ရှိတဲ့နေရာညက်တွေက show ပြမှာတဲ့။ဟာမိုင်လာကြည်လား။ကျွန်တော်မြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာလူတော်မှ show ပွဲမရှိဘူး။သူတို့မှာငှက်တွေက show ပွဲရှိရယ်။မိုင်လာကြည်လား။ Okay, this way. Okay. ဒါရင် check ကြည့်လိုက်မယ်နော်။ဒီနှလုံးသားတဲ့။ Africa တဲ့လုံတန်းစစ်နေဟိတဲ့။ Let's check. Please keep door closed. ဒီတဲ့အတိုင်းလည်းဘို့ကြည့်။哦，这帮野下的呗，对吧？对啊，Africa 的野那龙大嘛，Africa 的 heart of Africa 的，okay. Push. Okay. Wow, so beautiful. It's just that part of Africa. So, ui về về quậy, vắt sai ẹt không? Vắt sai ẹt bụi rồi vậy. Okay. Sky and field. Tree down.
try it, yeah?
Okay. Vasa shoe and name of Vasa shoe. Okay. Cái thằng anh đi làm giống gì vậy quậy? Vasa làm điện sóc vậy thằng ạ. Vasa shoe mà. À. Có thằng ạ, bảo nó ăn cho cái này. Nữa vậy. Ra hết rồi hả? Wow. Đẹp quay luôn hả? Share 上进了。
160 million years ago, the first birds appeared on our planet. A group of fully feathered theropods. Dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Hi there, hello! Very good afternoon to you ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Also glad, it's great to hear. By the way, my name is Shawa. With me is Joe. Now together we are Raptor Rangers. Our team are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
So as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts and also take care of the birds here. So today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
If everyone is set, look right up there! The American bald eagle. Filipino raptors are bigger and heavier than males. She is no exception. Look at that on the high cliff. Look at that ball. Here she comes. Wow. The Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her beaks and talons are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
That's right. Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms, and yet, when flying at high speed, she's able to lift up a prey that weighs up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
A fun fact about bald eagle is that they build really huge nests. If you're wondering how big the nest can get, well, it's about 10 feet wide. That's right. Let me just take this slum as a marker. This is about 10 feet wide. And it can also be 20 feet tall, which is about 3 or even 4 times my height. Impressive, isn't it?
Very impressive, isn't it, Shawa? And you know what? Susie here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to head back home. So let's give it up for Susie, our American bald eagle.
Joe, you hear that?
Shawa, that is a very familiar ball.
Yeah,
The white-backed sea eagle is commonly found in South find right here in Singapore.
The white-bellied sea eagle have talons with rough underside, which allows them to grip onto slippery and scrubby prey like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes. It looks like Nelson is in position, but we're going to do a quick demonstration. So Joe's going to throw a replica of a sea snake into the pond, and we shall see Nelson make an attempt to try and snatch that off from the surface of the water.
Position, everyone watch the eagles about to catch its meal. Here it comes.
Well, that was fantastic, but for those of you who have missed it, not to worry, we have the replay right on the screen. Let's give it up for Nelson, ladies and gentlemen.
That's right, Sean. That is why the white-bellied sea eagles are one of my favorite raptors to spot in the skies of Singapore.
Well, Joe, there's another raptor that you should watch out for, and that is the brownie kite. So here comes Sapphire. Kites like Sapphire are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They can steal a prey from a bird as big as Nelson. If you're walking around Mandai, do remember to look up. This is how they look like in the sky. That's a silhouette of the white belly on the left, and of course on the right will be a brownie kite. So Sapphire, would you like to join me right here? Everyone waiting to take a closer look at you. Looks like just riding the wind, and of course, brownie kites as shown by Sapphire right now. Very agile and maneuverable. This is how they are able to get away from stealing a prey from the white-bellied sea eagle. Yes, fast enough to make an escape. And right here now, excellent Sapphire.
Nice landing back there, Sapphire.
Of course, let's have Nelson join us back as well.
So these two, they are noble species of raptors, but it is not that difficult to tell them apart. So of course, they are very different in their size, their colors, as well as the shape of their wings. So white-bellied sea eagles like Nelson right here, they have V-shaped wings and a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the brownie kites, they have F-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail, and they are of course much more rounded. And with that, Sapphire, you have done a great job. It's time to head back home. Right there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Sapphire, our brownie kite.
Now, did you know that each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa. But that is the perilous journey that many never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are killed for sport. So we need your help to save and protect these birds. Or our skies will soon be empty.
That's right, Shaw. But did you know birds of prey are actually very important to us? So they play a vital role in the health of our planet. Now these birds, they remove dead and injured animals and even get rid of pests. And one particular bird helps us very well with pest control, and that bird is none other than the owl. Now the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because owls, they are the masters of silent hunt. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Latif, our Malay fish owl. And right here meets Sorry, our bark owl.
Hey Joe, you mentioned Masters of Silent Flight, right? Well, ours have soft ages and
Okay. Gam đang ạ. Ê ra là vẫn cái bài khác mà, vẫn cái bài khác. Nếu tao nói cái bài khác cái nào cũng chẳng hả? Cái này là xem sọc về. Đây là bài khác như thế nào? Đam mê mà bộ. Where should we sit? Okay. Okay. Self-service thì mà. Thì ra là self-service. Ê à, chắc lắm mà còn đã. Là đừng chẳng lặng này rồi, đừng chẳng lặng này. Inap lo cái chẳng là video trong giải mà vậy. Group bộ trong video giải. Không tôi on live from. Nhưng mà sẵn làm cái chẳng là. Vasa bu tamay wa chẳng ạ. Sino ba ama bang single bak dan hi ama bak pai dan khan moi. A single tok single a wak ve ki mu thei la hai di ra. Pai ta. Okay. Yeah, birdparadise. Mina pang ke in kon na phol sin ni na. Welcome. Okay. Cái alam nan dan hi nó hi mẹ lang ham đi nghe mà. Ê, hàm này Tuấn nó dạ. Hi hàm sang nồng mà em Tuấn. Hi hàm sang nồng mới tài đâu dạ, cái ạ. What is that? Yes. Tuấn hàm này. Hàm ba. Okay, the next one. Yes. Đi mà. Hi đẹp mà. Oh. Cái hi không? Oh. Hornbill. This one? Cái hi nó phát sáng ở đây nào. Chị thằng say sắc có rẻ này. Image chẳng à phát sáng image chẳng hàm bên này mà. Anh ấy tôi đang dùng cái touch screen tôi bảo say style của mày. Vam sinh ý như vậy mà. Song of the forest. Đi bên Song of the forest mà. Cái cà phê flavors khát ứng số cái hi liền mà. Hỏi sai. Ama vậy na khát đàn nó. Cái chả mà khát đàn sắp tăng lại này hi cái nó hay này. Hả mày. Okay. Bye bye. Mai để qua. Hello. Tụi tôi Rooney vào đây đi mà. The couple. Oh, the kiss once. Okay. Okay. Best couple. Okay. We are here. Now, this is. What is the name of bird? Carcadillos, flamingos. Say it and flamingos. This is the flamingos. I never seen before this bird. This Kyle bird. Hold there. Không biết tập bóng nó dao mà. Ê, tập bóng dao. Thú vị. Okay, đó. Time is over now. The time is over now, but we need to take some photo. Okay.
booth here, we're gonna have pictures with these birds on stage, with you standing right there in the middle, alright? And the cue starts from here. Now my friend here from Digital will give you the direction on where you're supposed to cue. Okay, so the cue starts from here all the way to the back. And once again, like I mentioned, for
ที่ยีตะคนยองอบอลต่อมีจะเนี่ยที่เป็นว่าอบอลต่อมีที่สิงคโปร์แล้วเป็นบอลต่อมีแบบมั้งบอลต่อมีแบบนะที่เป็นนี่ยองอบอลต่อมีจะด่าตู้บอลเนาะสิงคโปร์มาสิบมาชิวตู้แบบอารมณ์ตู้อย่างเลยด่าแม่ตัวด่าเนี่ยตะบ่าวว่าจะเพียงเราเลยด่าแม่จนเราในงานก็สุดท้ายก็ว่าตะบ่าวก็เพี้ยซีมาต้องวิ่งชาเลยด่าแม่สิงคโปร์ก็ตะบ่าวไม่ชิวตะบ่าวมาเพี้ยงตะบ่าวเนี่ยอ๋อบลูเลยตูงี้นี่บ้าๆเนาะตะบ่าวได้กูตัวเพี้ยงจูซ่ามาตัววิ่งชาเลยที่มันจนเราเนี่ยลงว่าก่อตัวอ่ะบ่สุดจนในงานมาสิตะบ่าวชีบิดากว่าลาบยาชีบิดาดากูเพี้ยซีมาตัววิ่งชาจ้าเลยพอมาติดเป็นคุกมันวิ่งชาจ้าที่มาติดเป็นไส้มาตะบ่าวได้กูตัวเพี้ยงลบไปมาตัววิ่งชาจ้าเลยมาดูบ่เนาะดาดูเล่ตัวเย่ลูกย้อมเลยตู้บ่าวกองแล้วว่าสิงคโปร์ตู้อย่างเลยกองแล้วว่าเฮ้ยสิไม่ชิวดาวแม่จนในงานมาสิตะบ่าวก็เพี้ยซีมันวิ่งชาเลยดีในงานมาก็ที่ยามาตะกัวตะบ่าวไม่ชิวสุดท้ายตะบ่าวได้กูตัวเชี่ยวลบไปมาวิ่งชาจ้าเลยมาดูดาวเตี้ยวชิมบาเลย好啊 ，OK。